Beautiful souls. Have you ever felt like you're starting from scratch, at 50 or beyond, like you missed your moment? Here's a truth that might surprise you. Gratitude isn't just about being thankful. It's your superpower, especially now. Because when you focus on what you already have, your wisdom, your resilience, your experience, you stop chasing and you start building. You shift from "it's too late" to "I have everything I need to begin." And that mindset changes everything. Research shows that gratitude rewires your brain. It improves sleep, lowers stress, and boosts motivation. But here's the part they don't always tell you. Gratitude helps you trust yourself again. Suddenly, launching that side hustle doesn't feel risky. It feels aligned. That online business idea? It's not out of reach. It's your next adventure. Start simple. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Every morning. Even on tough days. Especially on tough days. Over time, your mind will stop saying, "I'm too old," and start whispering, "I'm just getting started." At 50, you're not winding down. You're waking up to purpose, to possibilities, to power. And it all begins with gratitude. Because when you appreciate what you have, you unlock what's next.